So we went to Israel.
We know that Israel's a hot button and complex issue for a lot of people, so maybe we'll let Conan explain it for us so we can get back to our drone shots in slow motion.
All setting the table for a visit by me, Colonel O'Brien. My mission is to make some people laugh, and in the process, alienate everyone.
The reason why we came out here is because we heard it was a beautiful region full of tasty food, kind people, and cultural and historical significance.
Oh, and also, our favorite music licensing company, Artlist, has their headquarters here, and they invited us to come check it out.
When we arrived in Tel Aviv, we navigated to our house for the week.
Not bad.
Oh, and here's where we kept all our junk.
Had some great meals.
Saw our first camel.
And our first sea.
And our second.
And our third. Wow, there sure is a lot to see.
Daniel,
here.
no.
Took a drive up north to visit Artlist HQ.
And here's where we kept all our junk.
We also went shopping in their closet.
Our new Artlist pals Liren, Oren, and Manuela showed us some scenic views.
We then took one last stroll around Tel Aviv. Thanks to Artlist again for their hospitality and sweet, sweet tunes for our videos.
Speaking of which, you can now license Daniel's new album from Artlist to use in your own projects.
Link in description.